In this video, I'll explain what the Mailchimp Customer Journey Builder is and how it can help automate your email marketing in 2026. The Customer Journey Builder is Mailchimp's visual automation tool that lets you create personalized email workflows based on how your subscribers interact with your business. Instead of sending the same email to everyone, you can build a journey that responds to specific actions. For example, you can automatically send a welcome email when someone joins your audience, follow up after a purchase, remind customers about abandoned carts, or send different emails based on whether someone opened a previous campaign. The journey is built using a simple drag-and-drop interface. You start with a trigger, such as a new subscriber or a specific event, then add actions like sending an email, waiting for a certain amount of time, or creating different paths based on subscriber behavior. One of the biggest benefits of the Customer Journey Builder is that it helps you send the right message to the right person at the right time, without having to manually manage every email. Keep in mind that the Customer Journey Builder is an advanced feature and is available on selected paid Mailchimp plans. And that's what the Mailchimp Customer Journey Builder is and how it works in 2026.